have hit the skid plate a few times. It's just these washes are so tight, and this vehicle is very long. But just wanted to get out real quick and check to make sure that it's hitting the right spots on the skid plate. Everything looks good there, so we're gonna carry on. Let's get back in, try and make it up this trail without breaking anything. Well guys, unfortunately, this is as far as I'm going today. Not gonna make it up to the lake or the creek I wanted to fish. I just don't have tall enough wheels yet, is what it comes down to. I'm just hitting my skid plates too much. Just walked a little, probably a quarter mile of the trail, and it gets a little bit nastier before it gets better. I'm gonna head back down to that awesome little overlook. We're gonna cook up some lunch, get a little coffee, and then we'll probably fish the Colorado today. Maybe we'll head up to where it comes into the Eagle. I gotta get some bigger tires first, and then we will tackle Transfer Trail. So. Chicken teriyaki, that's the move today. Food first, coffee while we're letting the food settle in. That's hot. Good. Oh, here we go. Okay, y'all. I found a small little creek. The Colorado is absolutely trashed. Not worth fishing at all. So I'm just gonna do some creek hopping on my way home. Alright. Let's try and find one single fish in this creek. Oh, this water's cold. Feels like trout water for sure. Just gotta hope for one measly little fish, guys. One tiny trout. Oh, there we go. Oh my god. That was awesome. No way. What do we got? Where are you? There you go. Holy cow. That was amazing. That was amazing. A gorgeous, gorgeous brown trout. Beautiful brown trout. Holy smokes. Look at that fish, guys. That's a beauty. Alright. I'm gonna pop that hook out right in the corner, just where it's supposed to be. And he's gone. I'm just having quite the time trying to see my fly. Oh, there's another. Woo! What do we got this time? Another little baby brown trout. Couldn't really see what happens. That's a good drift. Oh, little guy. Little guy smoked it. Too small though. I don't know where it is. Shoot. I'm losing it too quick in that spot. Not enough time to figure it out. Okay, 3 more slingshots into this spot. Oh, there he is. There he is. What do we got here? Where is he? Where are you, fish? Oh, there you are. Come here. Come on. Beautiful, beautiful brown trout. Man, did he want that fly. Cool. Just an absolutely stunning fish. Look at that. Oh, there he goes. Took right off. So cool. Hey, there we go. Little brownie. Fish are so aggressive. I know there's a better one though. There it is. That's the better one. Saw him eat that. That was so cool. Oh, there we go. And that is a beautiful, beautiful brown. Holy cow, guys. I mean, look at some of these colors on these fish. They are just stunning. Absolutely stunning. Gorgeous, gorgeous fish. There we go. Another brown, or is this a... Ooh, we got a rainbow. Gorgeous rainbow. Look at that fish. Wow, guys, that is a stunning, stunning rainbow. little brown. Alrighty, you guys, I'm about to wrap things up here. So we're walking back upriver, up creek, headed to my vehicle. Probably just gonna make a few more drifts as I work my way up, just in the pockets of water where I think there should have been more fish. Gotta walk real careful though. But yeah, I basically fished all the areas on this little stretch that I parked at that I wanted to, or that I could really. That storm's coming in, and not interested in getting caught in that. Oh, that's a good line. That's a good line. Come on, where's the fish right there? How? How is there not a fish right there? I am astounded. That's an even better line. That's the best line. That's exactly where I needed it to go. Oh, there he is. I knew there would be a good one there. Best one of the day. Best one of the day. Come on. Ah, yes. Yes. I knew there was a good fish hiding under that. Oh, that feels so good. Holy cow, that might be the prettiest brown trout I've ever caught. You just look at that fish. What a stunning, stunning fish. Let me hold him up for you guys. You can get a look at him. Just gorgeous, gorgeous brown trout. Let me get this hook out. Came up and hit it exactly where I expected him to. I must have spooked him earlier when I walked downstream, but that's why you always fish it a second time. One last look at this fish before I release him. Just a stunning, stunning, stunning trout. Look at the color. Color scheme on that fish is incredible. The blues in the cheek. Wow. Okay. I'm gonna get my phone out, get some underwater footage of this guy, because he deserves it. What a fish to end it on. The spot that I was so eager to fish, there's a little undercut right there. The fly basically swooped around, went behind that rock, and I just saw a ripple. So I assumed that a fish ate it. Set the hook, sure enough. Best fish of the day right there. That was a good way to end the day. Well, in the most ridiculous twist of events imaginable, I-70 is closed. There is a mudslide. No determination of when it will be reopened, so I am now stranded. Oy vey. What a mess. Yeah, I don't know. No idea.